So this is the Meaningful Beauty 30 milliliter dark spot treatment. And I must say that I owe this treatment a lot. I have acne scarring here and here, and this has helped out significantly, lightening all of those spots up. So it's not just for aging dark spots. It'll lighten up your acne scars too. Now this is my travel size, but all you have to do is use a tiny bit of this stuff. It does come out looking a little dark, but it does go on really nicely. Now you really just need a tiny pin drop of this, and it spreads all over your face. You really don't need much. And like I said, it will lighten your dark spots up. Within like a week or two, you're gonna start seeing a noticeable difference to your dark spots or scarring. I definitely recommend this dark spot treatment by Meaningful Beauty, especially with mature aging skin.